Good morning from Paraguay. We're out here, Asunción, Paraguay. This is the place I've been staying, fishing up Budo Inglés. So let's get a little house tour of the place I'm staying at. So here we are, actually in the studio. So check it out. This is the green screen right here. We have these mattresses to absorb the sound when we're actually speaking. You know, the couch, another mattress. Here's the kitchen. It's a bit small. As you see, it's a tiny little guy. And then we got the fridge. Let's see what's in here. Got some beer. That thing actually is pretty dry. We got some acai, which is always a good thing. Here's the balcony. So here you go. Yeah, that's a nice spot. People playing some tennis over there. Small place. Here's a teleprompter. Here's some mate. This is like, it's a bit dusty at the moment. This is the workstation right here. Business cards. We have the JBL. You have to have this. We're actually gonna bring this with us right now. Here's Andrew's room right here. Just, you know, it's better not to come to people's rooms. And then here's the bathroom. So here we go. There I am. And it's just a small little item. Yeah. And here we got is my room. Da-na. Juggling balls, of course. Got the iPad. We got the guitar. It's really nice. I actually really enjoy this one. It's one of my favorite ones I've gotten on my travels. And the unicycle. So that's what we're doing right now. We're actually gonna go unicycling. So let's go take this guy and go unicycling. So let's grab this. Here's the elevator. To the top. This is the Keen show. There was actually like part Bible study stuff. Sometimes they have parties, as you see. This Keen show had a celebration there yesterday. Let's continue. Over here we have the play area. People play. Here we have the gym. So this is a nice place to hang out. Let's continue. So let's just continue down. This is like a lot of space over here, so you can always just hang out. And this is where I'm going to be. It's my unicycle spot right here. So I'm just going to leave that here and we'll just continue this tour. So as you see, there was a function here yesterday. So here we got is the pool area. I really enjoy hanging out here. It's really nice. You have like a nice view over here. Right there. And that's the pool. Well, that's the house tour for Paraguay. This is the place I'm staying at. I really like this upstairs area. It's one of my favorite places to just be and hang out because there's just so many activities. So right now we're gonna go do some unicycling and yeah, start my day with some unicycling, some mate, some reading, and from there, gotta get back to work, Budo Inglés. You know, this is the life, Paraguayan style. See you later, peace.